Yeah, so this Shoji door right here and the one that's right over here on the left are the ones that Choco wanted on this side right here. ごめんね。いいですか？YouTube で出ますよ。大丈夫？大丈夫？恥ずかしくない？奥さん、私は奥さんで、あ、それは大好き。はいはい。はい。Yeah, so I was just saying that those are the ones that Choco really wanted, and I just go and ask them real quick if that's okay if they show up on camera. They're okay with it, so I tried to be respectful because folks are pretty, want their privacy too. So yeah, really cool. And then there's the Kusuma. We'll go on the top right there. And then along up in here too are the other glasses somewhere too. Wow, that's just the first one in. That looks really nice. Sticky. Huh? 気に入ってもらった。気に入っても、足りない？Got a gentleman working on the sliding doors. He's been meticulously aligning it all day long. Just, he does a little adjustment, slides them around, does another little adjustment, slides them around. It's pretty cool watching him. So as I was walking around, he installed this other Shoji. Actually, these are the Yukimi that I have talked about in previous videos. If you have not watched that, please go back, and if you're interested in going back and see. But basically, this bottom half will slide up, and then as you look looking from the tatami room, which is on the other side, you can look out this way. And these were changed. He changed it with a different type of material, which is not necessarily paper, but they actually block the heat and the cold out. And so this right here is the Engawa. Well, most old traditional Japanese houses will have an Engawa, and basically it's the hallway. And yeah, so it's really cool. Engawa going out towards the main house. And right here, actually I covered it before. On this side, I'm planning on putting a little desk, and nothing spectacular, just small. That's why I have 2 outlets on each end. And then as I'm sitting at this, I can go ahead and look outside towards the Japanese garden. Yeah, so I was just talking to him. He's been doing this for 47 years. And actually when they built this house, he was saying that he was too young for it. So, and then also we're talking about this right here. This is new. Back in the day, you just had the straight right here, and you would kind of put wax, and then you could slide them easier, but they would still kind of stick. But now you have this railing with bearings in each of the bottom right there, and then it slides easily.